back to the channel, everybody. This video is actually me hitting up Riverside Park, a different spot, kind of close to the one I usually hit up. It was a good day. Had a short day at work, so it was right after work. Had all my gear inside the truck already. Ended up catching 3 fish. Had 2 bites. Caught a stick, which was kind of funny. Yeah, it was a good time. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys like it, leave some comments. Let me know what you think. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe if you do like this video. Don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified when I release other ones. I hope you enjoy this video. Peace, and don't forget, always fish on.
Oh yeah, we got one. We got one. Nice. Very nice. Very nice. On the Ned rig. A little tiny one, but that's okay. Bloody tail. It's crazy. Let's take a nice look. Look, see he's here. Nice fish. And you got some blood right there. I believe, at least. Oh yeah, something. Alright, we're gonna give this guy a nice release. At least I hope so. Let's walk over here. Hopefully I don't fall in. Very nice, very nice. I was hoping to catch something. Right after work, decided to go do some fishing. So far so good. Let's see if I can catch some more. That was actually quite fun. And let me put this back on my chest and see what else we can catch. Alright, let's get back to it. Hopefully we can catch another fish. That was cool. Oh, look at that. I'm on a tree. There we go. It's interesting because I actually got that bite with a skip. So maybe if I do another skip, I can get one. See, let's do another skip. See what happens. Ooh, skipped over some nasty stuff. Oh, saved it though. Had to sink for a second. Nope, that was just a stick or something. That smell. It smells so good. Let's clean this guy up a little bit. think that might have been something. I'm not sure. Too excited now. I'm thinking every snag is a bite. It's another one. Oh, it got loose. It got loose. At least I got another bite though. Hopefully you guys saw that. Oh man. Okay. It's not where he got loose, but maybe next time I should set that hook a lot better, huh? Oh. Oh, come on. Horrible cast. Guess that's what you get when you try to skip it. So rattles. Got another one, you guys. Nice. Nice. Oh, he weren't getting loose. There you go, another one. Definitely a different one. It doesn't got that little bloody spot or whatever it was. Very nice though, very nice. Another small one, but that's okay. Get a release on them. Definitely enjoying doing these releases in the water. It's pretty dope. Alright. Get a release on this guy. What was that last time? It was right here. Alright. Oh man, his teeth got me pretty good. There's another one, you guys. Let's keep going. Let's keep going until it's time to go home. See you in a second. Peace. And I'm back. Still pretty good. Look at that. The rattle is actually about to come out. Let's get that back in there. It's all pretty chewed up, pretty good right there. At least it still rattles, kind of. Man, I kind of wanted to switch over to my crankbait, but with this Ned, it's working. That's 2 so far. And a bite or 2. Definitely know I got that one bite and it got loose. Oh, oh, come on. Yeah, we staying here for a minute. We is staying here for a minute. They biting. They are biting. They are definitely biting. There might be some small ones. At least I'm catching fish, right? Alright, let's get that back out there. Hopefully I can catch another one before my GoPro dies. I'm only at 17% right now with that red battery. Oh, come on, come on. Try to take it again, take it again. Oh, that was nothing. Got another one. Oh, it's a stick. It's a stick. It's a stick. Man, I wish Brent was out here right now. What is going on here right now? Did I lose it? No, it's still there. That was strange. Oh, there's another one. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Just getting them today. Oh, no, 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 no. Ooh, we got a little dirty. That's okay. That's okay. You might be a little dirty, but you still look good. Very nice, very nice. Alright, let's get another release on this guy. Looking pretty awesome. Or she, whatever. Very nice. Fish number 3. Doing pretty good. Just release this dude. Sorry for the camera view right there, but I need to get on my knees. Let's get this view. Fish number 3, you guys. Let's try to catch another one before my GoPro dies. Be 4 for the day. Let's get it. Let's go. Catching them today. All on the net. On the rattling net. Still using the same one too. See if it still rattles. Oh, rattle's gone. Rattle is gone. We're gonna switch it up. We're gonna put a new one on there. Gonna put a new one on there. Some of them good old Guggen baits, rattling Ned, green pumpkin. Love it. Obviously you can see that I love using them. Only got 3 left. Well, about to have 2 left. Let's get it. Let's get it. Got a new one on. Works. You can hear it rattle, hopefully. I know I do. Alright, let's see what we get. Fresh rattle. Let's see.
fix that view, I guess. Clean up. Oof. I mean, it was a skip, but it was a horrible one, to tell you the truth. Oh, we had a bite right there. Maybe you go back. Maybe that's what I need to do, is run along this. I don't know if you guys can see this log right in front of me in the water. But maybe that's what the secret is. I don't know. We'll see if that does a thing. Nah, it's probably not gonna do nothing. I wish I had my other glasses with me. That would probably work a lot better. But if you did see the log, maybe I should run my net right along it. Oh yeah, look at all those little bait fish right there. That's a good thing I brought my GoPro. I was not going to bring it with me. I mean, I had it all on my truck, but I was not going to bring it.